Have you ever wondered how top designers add buttery smooth loading animations? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create this exact effect inside Figma. No plugins, no code, just pure UI magic. Let's go. Hello, welcome back. Today you're going to learn a quick simple loading animation. So the first thing you're going to do is to come to your tool section, then click on the drop down. Now bring out your ellipse shape. Now for this, I'm going to give it 300 by 300, which is the layout dimension. Then the next thing I will do is I'm going to now duplicate. Now duplicating by Control D to duplicate. Then this duplicate, I'm now going to reduce the dimension to 200 by 200, something like this. So now I'm now going to bring it into the center. Yeah, so when you see this cross line, it means it's in the center. So the next thing I'm now going to do is you come to this arc, then you now separate the arc this way by left clicking and dragging. Then you come to the center arc, then you now move it this way to have this. So when you do this and you have something like this, the next thing you do is you go ahead and come to this bottom arc, then you now cover it back. So when you cover it back, you now click on this overall ellipse, then you now come over to the fill section, then you click on the button, then you come to gradient, then you click on gradient, then you come to linear, then you click on the drop down, then you come to angular and click on angular. So once you've clicked on angular, you're now going to come to the bottom color, click on it, then you give it whatever color you want to give it. So for me, for this tutorial, I'm going to use blue. Then you click on this top color, then you turn it to white. Just move this, just make it white. So now at the end of the day, you're going to have something like this. So the next thing now you do is this particular arc that you sliced, right? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on it this way. Make sure you highlight it this way, then you right click. When you right click, then you now come over to send to back. Then you click on it, it will now send it back. Then you hold on shift and highlight this round one. You make sure all of them are highlighted like this. So once they are all highlighted like this, you come to the right hand panel, come up here, you come to use as mask, then you click on use as mask, then you're now going to have something like this. So when you do this, the next thing now you're going to do is you're going to click on this overall mask here. You click on this overall mask here. Once you do that, you're now going to come over to the right hand side panel. You see create component, then you click on create component. So now that you've made it a component, you now go ahead and create another variant. You now come here to this plus sign, it says add variant. You add another variant, then you now come over here and add another variant, come over here and add another variant. So now you have 3 variants. So now at the end of the day, you're going to have 4 here. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is to click on them individually. So the second one, you're now going to click on the second variant. Then you come over to the left hand side panel. You see this ellipse, you now click on the ellipse. This is the round shape. Then you now bring your cursor to the edge here. When you have this curve cursor, then you left click and hold and you move to change to rotate. Then to get the perfect rotation, you have to come over here to the right hand side panel, then click on it, then you now say minus 90. Now you have a perfect one. Then you come over to the third variant, you now click on it, then you come to the right hand side, then you click on the drop down. It's going to open the drop down, then you click on the ellipse, then you are now also going to come over here and do the same thing, but this time around you're turning it 180 degree. Then to get the perfect degree, you're going to come to rotation here. Then you click on rotation. Then you now say minus 180 degree. You have your perfect rotation. Then you come to the last variant. Then you click on it. Then you click on the ellipse. Then you now do the same thing to it. Then you now move it around, move it around. Then you are now going to make it the rotation. You're now going to make it 90 here to get the perfect rotation here. So now that you've done this, the next thing you were going to do, or the next thing you're going to do, is to go ahead to come to prototype here, click on prototype, then you come the first screen, then you attach the first screen to the second screen. The prototype is going to be trigger after delay 1 millisecond, then smart animate, curve linear, then duration 600. Leave it at that. Then you come to the second one, then you attach it to the third one. Trigger after delay 1 millisecond, smart animate, linear, and 600. So the third one, you're going to connect it to the last one. Trigger after delay 1 millisecond, then on smart animation, curve linear, then duration 600 millisecond. Then the last one, which is the last one, you're now going to come click on the last one and drag and connect it to the first one. Trigger after delay 1 millisecond, then animation linear 600. So now that you've done this, the next thing now you're going to do is to test out your prototype. So you're now going to bring a rectangle here. You're now going to bring a rectangle here. Then you come over and pick your first variant. You now alt and left click and you drag it into the frame. Then you center it to give it balance. Then you click on the frame. Then you now click on shift space. Voila! You now have yourself a quick, simple loading animation. Beautiful. If this helped you level up your UI design skills, give it a thumbs up. It really helps this channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you never miss a Figma tip or animation trick. Got a question or want me to cover a specific UI effect? Drop it in the comment below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one. Stay focused.